What's up YouTube, welcome back to another review on the Guerrilla 450, and this is the touring review. So if you ask me how comfortable am I to tour on this motorcycle, I'll say that yes, pretty much very comfortable. Towards the cruising speed, I'll say 110 to 120 easy. You can go up to I think 140 to 150, but with struggle because the wind blast is too much. It's a naked motorcycle and the tank sits lower, the handlebars sit lower, so you have to expect a lot of wind blast. So that thing is there, so that's the reason why I say that 110 to 120 is the cruising speed. That means the bike can does it. The question is whether you can take it or not. And the refinement is top notch, unlike many other Royal Enfield motorcycle itself. I'll say that the refinement is too good. The ergonomics is also good because we are sitting upright. As I said, the only trouble is you don't have a taller windscreen. Basically, I'll say that if you're looking for a very comfortable touring motorcycle in this range, then Himalayan is the better choice. This is like you want that kind of a sprinting feel and have some fun on the motorcycle, then this one is really good. So the ergonomics is actually good. So as I said, it's much upright to sit. The seat is very cushioned. I'll just stop here. But I don't consider this motorcycle to be really good to tour with Pillion. Two reasons. One, it's powerful and the Pillion will feel a little scared because of this pull to the back, because whenever the motorcycle actually pull, it really pulls hard. So that's the reason. Otherwise, comfort wise it is good. So it's better to have a backrest over there. So you see that a backrest is necessary if you are planning for a trip with your Pillion. And the luggage carrying capacity is little less. You can have a tank bag on the tail section. It'll be a bit difficult. You can tie off your saddlebag all over there, but still again, since there is no backrest, it is quite risky to have all your luggage tied over there. Can have a duffel bag on the seat if you are riding alone. Otherwise, it is a little difficult. And the highway riding stability is too good. It's a Royal Enfield made like a gun. That means it's fully metal, not affected by any kind of crosswinds. That's one advantage from Royal Enfield taking these kind of bikes. So highway confidence is good, braking is good, suspension is very ideal for highway use. But I'll say that it's good for morning rides, because you want this kind of a motorcycle for your regular touring, then probably you'll get a lot of ride. But if you are someone who is already doing touring on a 390, this is not going to be a big deal. And if you ask me, if I have to pick this motorcycle for my touring use, what are the modifications I'll be doing? And I'll say I'll put some auxiliary lights, because I really didn't like the throw of this one, especially when there are a lot of oncoming traffic. And apart from that, I won't be doing any modifications. Probably I'll go for a smaller windscreen, but I don't want that windscreen to create a different air pocket and create a wind buffeting. So at least I feel that this open kind of a view is good for me. Otherwise, I'm completely satisfied. And with my abilities, I'll say that I'll be easily doing some 500 to 600 kilometers in a day if it's just highway rides. I'll be much comfortable to do that because ergonomics are good, seats are good. Just keep yourself hydrated, ride the motorcycle. So that's all with the touring review of this motorcycle. I thought of doing this in the highway, but the highway has a lot of construction and ended up doing this in dead traffic. But I hope the content of this video is helpful for you. And as always, show some love in the form of likes and comments. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.